We don't need this no more. Titi, like, seriously? Are you okay? You're going to trash that? No, you're not serious. Okay, guys, welcome back to my channel. And if today is your first time of stopping by, then you're welcome to the family. So guys, I'm going to show you how to turn your old lace closure into a clipping extension to create and highlight on your wigs. So if you're interested, definitely keep on watching. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? You're going to do is to cut the lace. Before you cut any lace, make sure you pat it before you cut any of your lace closure or frontal. This is already middle part, so I'm just going to cut it in the middle. So now we have this. So the next thing you're going to do is to take your clipping, this is it, and you're just gonna sew right here. So you sew this way. So you're gonna open it up just like this. So by the time you put it on, it's just, you see how it's looking. Sorry guys, can you guys see how things are looking? So by the time you close it, it's gonna be like this. So let me just show you before we start. So I'll just clip it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. If you do, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And if you don't like this video, please, I'm sorry, I'll make it up to you next time. So please make sure you stick